Apple on the monthly chart. So we've talked about this a lot. Apple is very predictable in some ways. So we pull up to a new high and we always pull back down and test the previous high. Pull up to a new high, we pull back and test the previous high. So we did the same thing again. We kind of pulled up here and then got high and then pulled back to test our previous level of support. I'm a little bit sleepy today, y'all. Whew. Anyway, so we pulled back down and then we bounced a little bit. So I'm going to be watching this trend line now on the monthly where we've got a couple touches here and see if we can hold that heading into the month of February. Cannot believe it's here already. Looking at the weekly chart, we were in this range forever. We finally get the breakout and we pulled right back down into that range again. So we were on a really nice downtrend there for a bit on the weekly chart, and this last week we just broke right back through and we held above that trend line. So let's see if we can continue to hold and maybe go ahead and fill that wick on the weekly candle. Looking at the daily chart, we're in a big squeeze right through here and here. So I wanted to see kind of a little bit tighter of a range right here. What does it look like? Because it's getting a little more snug. We need to hold 236 to stay in this trend line, to stay above. If we do break below, I'll be watching this trend line down here at about 227. So that's a 10-point drop if we do break below 236. And if we can hold 236, we can head on up and potentially test that 247 area again. So this is the area I'm going to be watching. That's a 10-point move to the upside. So we could still stay within the range, but we can go 10 points up and we can go 10 points down and still be within our squeeze. So there's definitely room in here to get a little bit of a move this week. But overall, I'd love to see us get a nice breakout over 247 for more upside. Let's see if we can get some continuation this week.